Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You're starting a project in Earth Studio, so first set resolution and frame rate to match your deliverable. Once signed in, create a new project and pick 2D or 3D depending on the effect you want. Import KML or search and pin your essential locations now. This saves time when animating. Make sure to place markers or keyframes at major waypoints so you can snap camera moves to them. This gets you into the actionable stage immediately without wrestling with later setup. Now create the core animation by placing camera keyframes at each waypoint, setting position, altitude, tilt, and heading to define the move. Use orbit for sweeping shots and point-to-point when you need precise travel between two pins. These tools handle complex paths for you. Once keys are placed, open the graph editor and adjust easing curves so motion accelerates and decelerates naturally. Make sure to scrub the timeline frequently to catch any pops, and tweak altitude or tilt to maintain visible detail. Finish by previewing the full animation at target resolution, then export as an image sequence or MP4 using your preferred codec. If you see jitter or snapping, add intermediate keyframes or enable smoother interpolation and retime easing curves. This fixes most motion artifacts. For long renders, lower shadow quality or use proxy resolution to speed exports while preserving the camera path. One key troubleshooting tip. If frames look inconsistent, render an image sequence and assemble in your editor. It isolates and recovers single bad frames.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.